chunk of the mountain right now. This is crazy. First of 3 towns. 1.5 switchback trail. It's 1.5 miles to Kalala'a Ridge. Hey guys, we just got to our hiking spot, and it is, I can't even describe to you how I feel in this moment. I am just so excited to be here on the side of these. We're up here at Hurricane Ridge. We're at Switchback Trail. It's 1.5 miles up. We're gonna be heading up there to a lookout, but I am just, can't explain how I feel when I'm out in nature. I'm just so happy and excited. There's my husband. Say hi, baby. Gave you the little nod. Wait a minute, that's just reserved for me. Bye. Here we are up on the trail above the falls, and as you can see, this trail is pretty incredible to hike over. Some water right now, pretty wet. See, we got rushing water all around us, splashing over rocks. Sorry, my shaky videoing, whatever you want to say it. Videography, there you go. Yes, this is a trail. A little more of the trail. Okay, I'm panting pretty hard. We just came around a bend, came face to face with quite a few deer looking at us like, what the heck? And this is what we see. Pretty hard. This was quite a hike. It's some kind of bee or something, like annoying the crap out of us, but I rebuked it and it left. Just kidding, I don't know if it's gone, but anyway. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this incredible or what? We came from all the way down there at that road, came up these trails, and here we are. Learning to rest and not to quit. Here we are. We had to stop and wait for some other hikers that are coming along the trail because it's too thin for multiple people. But look at this view. Oh my gosh. Seems like on this hike, every time we turn around, there's another incredible view to capture. I just don't want to lose any of it. It's so incredibly gorgeous.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
You're in the home stretch.
Awesome.
All right.
Yes,
Thanks for that word of encouragement. We needed it at this point.
Beautiful up there.
We did,
Really
yeah,
is.
well worth it. A little bit of a snow issue right almost to the top, but you'll be okay.
Thank you. Okay, y'all, we've kind of encountered some hikers that have said we're in the home stretch, and my husband literally had to help me make it up this little snowy spot and one down below because I wasn't gonna make it if he didn't. He had to literally push me. We were having to climb hand over foot up that spot on the trail, and here we are. I'm panting, I can barely breathe. It's hard. I mean, we are literally on a super steep incline. I know in the video you can't really see it, but it's real. Meet you at the top. Okay, y'all. We're nearing the top of the trail, and oh my gosh, this is incredible. I think we're at one of the unicorn, either the horn or the point, but this is our view right here. We are at the top of this lookout point, well, almost to the top. Man, I need to get out here and do this more this summer because I was just struggling up the top of this hike. Okay guys, here we are. I was struggling up, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna pretend and act like I struggled. My husband had to help me. But look at the view we have here. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm ever gonna get bored of this. It was worth the struggle, guys. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh, we had bees buzzing around us. It was crazy, but oh my word, I am in love with this place. What, babe? Look at this. What is that, like a glacier spot? Oh, it is glacier. Look how thick that snow is right there. Wow. This must be a glacier. What the heck? Hello, gorgeous. Where have you been my whole life? This is so incredibly gorgeous. I think I'm just gonna bring a tent and live here. Look at that mountaineering man. From the jungles of the concrete of Louisiana, just standing like a superhero on a rock. Baby, do your superhero pose. Oh, I love it. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. Dang. Whoa, seriously? Dang. Here we go. Still on Switchback Trail. Just enjoying the incredible views. This is amazing. If you guys like seeing these hikes that my husband and I go on, I'll start getting some equipment to take better videos, maybe not so bouncy, so that you can just take in all this gorgeousness that we're seeing right now. OMG. I just love these little shrubby flower bush things that are everywhere. I forgot my wild crafting book that has all my Pacific Northwest plants in it. So live and learn, right? We're going to make us a wild crafting kit, and I'm just going to keep it in my Jeep. So the next time we, on a whim, decide to head to the mountains, I'm ready to grab some local no, some local plants and make some tinctures and things. I'm excited about starting to do that. Oh my gosh, yes, it's a struggle. Yes, people are breathing hard. It is higher than Icicle Ridge. Y'all, this is listed as a moderate hike. Moderate. You hear that, Renee? This is listed as a moderate hike. Not hard, moderate. One of these days when I'm all grown up, I want to do a hard hike. This must have been what the hikers were talking about. Hand over hand in the snow. The end of the hike to the lookout. All right, let's do this. Might as well. Okay, guys, we got right here, and we can see where the trail goes. It goes through the snow here, and then it kind of treks up and over and up there. I didn't really wear shoes to hike in the snow. We don't have trekking poles or anything like that, so we're gonna call it quits right here. But I feel pretty accomplished. Yes, hashtag staying alive, like the hubs just said. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is incredible. I feel accomplished. We got a good workout in. I came up here expecting a spiritual word from God, and I feel like I got it. It's just beautiful. I think that was Mount Rainier or Mount St. Helens over there. I thought that was Dungeness Spit right there. Oh, okay. There you have it. Gorgeous end to a gorgeous hike. And I gotta get my way back out of the snow here. Decided to sit down and take a break and enjoy the view before we head back down the mountain. Here we are. We had to turn around because the snow was just too deep. It was pretty dangerous. And wow, babe. As I was saying before, I was interrupted by somebody. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this is. There's the road. So we've got to go straight down there. Do you see those cars? Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Yep, there's the road. So we are all the way up here. And we have to go back down there. Switchback. Oh, we were on the hiking to Lake Angeles. We didn't go to Switchback. So we got off the trail then. It's amazing who you meet out on the trail. We just met a couple from Philadelphia. And he told us about this little spot right here to come and see both sides at the same time. See if I turn around safely. I'm in a very tight little rocky spot. But yeah, look at this. This is incredible. And we could keep going up, but do you want to go up to that spot or you want to come back down? Okay, for our next adventure. Here we are coming down. Seeing the mountain from this perspective is just incredible that we hiked this high up, and it's marked as a moderate trail and the all trails out, which kind of blows my mind considering it was really hard. I guess that just means I need to get my fitness on, take it to that next level. Haven't really been consistent lately with my workouts like I should. What, babe? Okay, but yeah, this is just incredible. It's like God's playground that he built for us. So beautiful. I feel really blessed to live in a place like this where I can nearly fall and kill myself. Okay, we're coming down in the end of our hike here. As you can see, we're back at the falls where we started. Definitely feel spiritually refreshed and physically exhausted. Yeah. Yes, there is gold in these here hills. Yeah, Dad taught us how to gold pan when I was a kid. Hashtag we're at the end of the mountain hike. Hashtag I want to drink some of that water.